Good morning student. Myself Purnima Shukla. Today I will teach you class 3rd science. Our topic is soil. Before start video, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it, like and share it, and don't forget press bell icon for new notification. Thank you. Students, inside this chapter we will learn about some important points. First is soil. Next is soil formation. Next, types of soil. Next, layers of soil. Next, importance of soil. And next, crops. So children, let's move our first point, soil. Our first question arises here, what is soil? Soil is the upper layer of earth on which the plants grow. This is the figure of soil. Our next topic is soil formation. How does the soil form? Long ago the land was mostly big rocks. The action of sun, rain and wind over millions of years. These rocks broke up into small pieces. These pieces further broke down to form tiny particles of soil. Means soil is formed by the decaying of rocks. Our next topic is types of soil. Soil are mainly three types. First is sandy soil. Next, clay soil. Next, loamy soil. This is the figure of sandy soil. Sandy soil is rough and yellow in color. Sand particles are large and easily be seen. Sandy soil cannot hold much water. That's why not many plants can grow in it. This is the figure of clay soil. Clay soil is grey in color. It made up of very small particles, therefore feels smooth. It holds a lot of water. Clay soil is also not good for plants. Clay is used for making toys and pots. This is the loamy soil figure. Loamy soil is brown in color. It is a mixture of sand and clay. Its particles are smaller than sandy soil. It is the best type of soil for growing plants. It allows some water to flow while holding back the rest. Loamy soil is usually found in gardens and parks. Our next topic is layers of soil. Soil is formed by the decaying of rocks. Soil formation takes place in different layers. Name first is humus. Next, topsoil. Next, subsoil. Next, weathered rock. And last, bedrock. Humus also called O horizon. Topsoil called A horizon. Subsoil called B horizon. Weathered rock called C horizon. And bedrock called D horizon. Humus is the upper layer of soil. Topsoil is the medium that supports all type of plants life. Subsoil lies below the topsoil, which support moisture. Weathered rock lies below the subsoil. Bedrock form the bottommost layer of soil profile. Our next topic is importance of soil. Soil is important for all living things. Plants take water and minerals from the soil to grow and make food. Some animals such as ants and earthworms make their home in the soil. Almost everything that we use in our homes comes from soil or from plants that grow in the soil. Our last topic is crops. A crop plant is any cultivated plant that is grown on a large scale commercially. Different plants need different types of soil to grow. All plants grow well if manure is added to the soil. Manure consists lots of humus which makes the soil fertile. This is the crop plant. Rice grow in clay soil, bajra grow in sandy soil, and sugarcane grow best in loamy soil. What is fertilizer? This is the figure of fertilizers. Fertilizer are chemical or natural substance added to soil to increase its fertility. Now student, here I am giving you as the following. Here two columns. One first is A and other is B. You look both column carefully and give correct answer. Your first question is topsoil. What is the answer of topsoil?
Uppermost layer of soil.
Yes, very good. Match both. Your second question, pore spaces. What is the answer of pore spaces?
Empty spaces between the soil particles.
Yes, match both. Our third question is loam. What is the answer of loam?
Mixture of sand and clay.
Yes, match both. Our fourth question is sand. What is the answer of sand?
A yellow colored soil.
Yes, very good. Match both. Our last question is crop. What is the answer of crop?
Plants grown on a large scale commercially.
Yes, very good. So student, our activity is finished. Thank you.